Hey guys, Cat72 here. Hope everyone's doing well. So today I want to finally go ahead and install this what they call a pillar on these 2013 or on these Kias. Mine's a 2013. I can't say for any newer model, but in mine in particular, these have a tendency to crack. This is what they call the pillar. It's kind of like a side left and right side mold for the mirror front windshield. And as you can see, it's gotten brittle over time. It cracked. I tried to fix it myself. I put sticky tape on the inside just to hold it, but it's kind of an eyesore, as you can see. Just kind of looks bad. So I got this pillar from 7 Blacksmith. That's the manufacturer, and I got it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description in case you guys are interested. On the opposite side of my Kia, it's been holding up pretty good, but I did notice that the weather strip that's mounted on the inside is cracking. So evidently I'm probably going to have to replace this other driver's side pillar as well. These used to be high gloss. I painted them to be flat matte finish. So the new one's going to be a high gloss. So what I'll probably do is when I order the other one, I'll just leave them both high gloss. But yeah, that's what we're going to go over today, guys. Hopefully it's not too windy and there's too much wind background noise. It is kind of windy today. It's a beautiful day, by the way. Really nice. But anyway, let me go ahead and get this started, guys. That's what we're going to do. Again, we're going to replace the pillar on my 2013 Kia Soul, because like I said, this one's just really bad. So anyway, let me go ahead and get my action camera mounted on my forehead here, and then we can go ahead and start the video. All right, guys. Oh, and the tools that are needed really are just going to be a pair of pliers, because if you flip this over, they do come with new grommets. However, some of the people that talked about the actual item on Amazon indicated that you're better off going with the originals. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the new ones and keep the originals if I can pull them off safely without bending them too bad. They're made of plastic, but basically I'll just be pulling them like this, but out of the frame of the window. Okay, guys, let's get started. Hope you enjoy. Okay, guys, I got my action camera mounted on my forehead here, so let's go ahead and get started, just so you can get an overview of what I'm doing. All right, let's go ahead and get rid of this bad one here. You can see the sticky tape is what I was using to hold this in place. I'm so glad to get this squared away. I bought this a long time ago, and I just never got around to replacing it, you know, just kind of busy and not really having the time. Plus, in reality, I wanted to make a video on it. I didn't just want to do it and not share the replacement. In case you guys out there happen to have the same issue, you can see the process it takes to get this installed. Now, some of you might be asking, you know, why didn't you just go to like a salvage yard and take them off from another vehicle and save yourself some money? And you're right, I probably could have. These probably would have cost only like maybe $3, $4, $5 at the most. But here's the thing: you saw how brittle it was taking it off. I'm pretty sure that if I were to try to do that at a salvage, that's the result you'll get, just a bunch of crumpled up plastic. So the heat here in Texas is brutal, so I doubt I would have found a pillar that would have came off nice and complete like this one is. So that's why I didn't go about trying to get this off of a salvage yard. This sticky tape really did its job holding on. All right, just a little bit more. It'll be a quick video, guys. There's not a whole lot to it. Basically, once I pop those new grommets in place, it's a done deal. It's really fast, but I just, like I said, I just kind of wanted to share this with you guys. Normally I would wash this off, but it's just dust. It's not going to hurt anything. Now here's the tricky part. I'm hoping I can take these off without damaging anything. Yeah, see, they're just brittle. That's what I was afraid of. Yeah, they're not going to be easy to get off. Let me see. I'm gonna have to get maybe a pair of pliers and just kind of like pry these out, because that's the only way I see them coming off. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. Okay guys, I got this little pry tool here. I'm hoping this will do the job better than just the pliers. Nice, that's working just perfect. Okay. And then I'll probably just save these just in case I might need them in the future. You know what I mean? Probably put them in a little plastic bag and just set them aside. Wow, this tool is actually working really well. If y'all happen to have this kind of similar tool, this is gonna really do the job. Or I guess just a pair of flat standard pliers will work too. If you're wondering, the pillar cost 70 bucks. They did have the option to get it at a lower price if you buy both of them. However, at the time I purchased this one, that's how long ago it was, that driver's side pillar didn't have an issue. Now obviously it does. I should have just got both, save me some money. Okay, so once you get the little clipping grommets off, you just want to make sure you line up the holes, and oh my god, you got to be kidding me. They sent me the wrong. Wow. Wow, you know what guys, I just noticed it. This is not the right. Oh my goodness. This is not the right side. I specifically ordered the left side passenger and they sent me the right driver's side. Oh my gosh. Well, while we're at it, we might as well just do it, and I'm gonna have to order the other one. Unbelievable, man. Yeah, so anyway, there's your answer guys. It wouldn't have worked if I would have gone to a salvage. All these clips broke, as you can see. So this is the only option is to replace them brand new. That sucks. Yeah, they sent me the wrong side. I ordered the left, they sent me the right, and I just noticed it now. I've had it all this time and I never decided to come out and look at it because I figured they sent me what I requested. You know, Amazon's kind of funny that way. You really got to look at the items you purchase the day you get them, because sometimes there's always issues. Well, like I told you earlier, I was going to have to replace this anyway. Might as well do it now. Can't believe that, jeez. So yeah, I'll just have to drive around with that one like that, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to replace it fairly quick because I don't want the rain falling into the frame and causing rust down the line. So what I'll probably do temporarily is put some black electrical tape on these holes on the opposite side, just in case it does rain, it won't seep into the frame, until I can replace the opposite side. I'll probably order that later on today. That sucks. Well, let's continue on this other side, guys. So as we would have been doing on the passenger side, let's continue on the driver's side. So you want to just make sure all these grommets are lined up. I noticed that there's a little bit of I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little bit of a washer, a foam washer around each hole, but this already comes with it, so I'm just going to go ahead and go with that. And at this point, it's all pretty easy. I'll tell you what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, only because that's just me. I'm gonna just clean the dust off, make it nice and clean before I install it. So yeah, let me just get some soap and a rag and some water real quick. All right guys, I basically just got some water and a rag. I'm just gonna clean it up real quick. You don't have to do this, that's just me. I figure since I got it apart, might as well just do it anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side as well. I can't believe that. I should have looked at the damn item before I assumed it was correct, but it's no big deal. It just means eventually I was gonna have to replace both of them anyway, so no big deal. The thing is, we're getting it done. All right. Okay, so as I was saying earlier, at this point, what you want to do, so much background noise. I apologize, guys. You got cars driving by and birds chirping real loud. So you want to just make sure that you mount the hose accordingly. And that looks good. And I guess we're just gonna force it in there. Wow. It's this last one that's kind of being a little tricky here. Oh my god, you do got to put quite a bit of pressure, guys, to get these on. There we go. I don't know if you heard that. You really got to force them on there. This top one's going to be a little tricky because the alignment looks like it's a little bit off. Let me see if I can stick the little tool to kind of bend it downward. There we go. Cool. Nice. It's on there perfect. And here you can see the weather strip that comes with it has already set up nice and neat. Yeah, that's not coming off. That sucker's on there good. And I'll just peel the sticker off. And there you have it. It's complete. Now I gotta order the one to the opposite side. On the opposite side. Alright guys, that's a complete thing. We're finished. As you can see, they mount up real good. Well, let me switch over to my camera phone now so I can give you a quick closer look. The action camera doesn't have close-up focus ability, so anyway, let me go ahead and do that real quick. Okay guys, and I wanted to show you that it mounts perfect as the original, and they all mounted up really good all the way to the top. It looks good. I wish I would have bought both of them at the same time, but I had no idea one, that they were going to send me the wrong one. I had ordered the passenger side, not the driver's side, and then I didn't know that the driver's side was going to need to be replaced fairly soon. So that takes care of that. The only problem is now I'm gonna have to drive around like this for a while until I get the replacement on this side. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Just real quick, just wanted to show you again, these were replacement pillars on a 2013 Kia. Hope you enjoyed. All right, guys.